Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani only for you. So let me display the bright beautiful color based for your festive wear. This one is soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, and full base part is beautiful fine Dhakai work, heavy work. This one half. This one is pallu part, beautiful one, fine weaving design, hand weaving Dhakai Jamdani design. This one is border portion and contrast color pallu with beautiful hand weaving Dhakai work, highlighted contrast color with Dhakai weaving flower design. And this one full base part, upper base part, beautiful white off-white base with Dhakai Jamdani heavy work. This one is border and this one is full base part. Very nice elegant looks. And this one split section. This one is split section, half portion is beautiful mustard yellow shade with beautiful self weaving Dhakai work, highlighted contrast color threaded weaving design buta, Dhakai buta. And this one is half portion, this one is upper base part, and same patli pallu pattern, same yellow shaded contrast color pallu. Very exclusive one, premium quality, soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright festive looks. This one also very beautiful one, red contrast looks. Same material, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, beautiful color combination, same pattern. This one pallu part contrast color, bright red shade with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work. This one is beautiful self weaving Dhakai work, and this one is upper base part, beautiful heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, full base part is work. This one is border portion, fine weaving design Dhakai weaving design border. And this one split section, half portion, bright red shade patli pallu pattern with self weaving Dhakai work, full base, highlighted contrast color weaving design Dhakai buta. And this one splits, and this one is upper base part, this one is split section without running blouse piece, patli pallu pattern, same contrast color pallu. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, small weaving golden zari weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. This one also beautiful one, bright navy blue shade, golden zari contrast weaving buta, Dhakai buta. And this one full base, beautiful one, navy blue base, and full base part is beautiful Dhakai weaving self weaving work, highlighted golden zari floral buta. And this one border portions, beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work border. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design Dhakai weaving design pallu. And this one full base part, beautiful bright smart looks, semi transparent with self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work, full base part. And this one is highlighted golden zari buta, navy blue shade, and beautiful Dhakai Jamdani border also. Very exclusive looks, and without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving buta work, Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart bright gorgeous looks. Very beautiful and elegant looks, beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice on smart trendy looks and traditional also. This one full base part, pure white base with self weaving Dhakai work. This one full base part, beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one is contrast color border with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani fine hand weaving Dhakai work border. And this one is full base part, heavy weaving design, transparent. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work pallu. And this one full base part, very beautiful smart elegant looks without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one is beautiful base part, semi transparent with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work contrast color border. And I will suggest this silk material contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart trendy bright looks, very traditional also. This one also, beautiful color combinations, white with green shade, parrot green shade, very beautiful one. This one, full base part, white base, pure white base with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one is, border portions, contrast color border with fine Dhakai work border design, fully hand weaving. And this one, full base part, beautiful smart traditional looks, white base, beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work pallu, fine weaving work. And this one, full base part, very elegant, trendy, smart looks. This one is full base, transparent with fine Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice one, without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this sari for your smart, bright, beautiful looks. This one also, black and red contrast weaving design, black base, premium quality, handloom, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. And full base part is beautiful heavy Dhakai work. This one is full base part. And this one is, border portion, fine contrast color weaving design, Dhakai weaving design border. And this one is full base part, beautiful heavy weaving Dhakai work. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy Dhakai Jamdani weaving design pallu, fully contrast color threaded weaving design, black base, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. And this one, full base part, beautiful bright gorgeous looks, black base, red contrast Dhakai Jamdani work with highlighted golden zari weaving buta, Dhakai buta, very exclusive one, fully hand weaving Dhakai Jamdani, black base, very gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also, beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, also yellow with red contrast weaving design. This one, full half. This one is half portion is red and with Dhakai Jamdani work, fully self weaving Dhakai work, full base. This one is red base, fully Dhakai work. And this one, half portion is yellow, and this one is yellow with self weaving Dhakai work. This one is yellow base, beautiful self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one, pallu part, pallu end also yellow base with Dhakai Jamdani work, full base part is self weaving Dhakai work, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this half portion is red with self Dhakai work and half is yellow with self Dhakai work. And I will suggest this silk material weaving buta work, Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. Also, very beautiful one, elegant looks, beautiful color combinations also. Let me open this one, full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful one, self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one, border portion, self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work border. And this one is full base part, beautiful smart bright looks. And half portion is blue shade, half portion is bluish shade, and half portion is beautiful mustard yellow shaded with self weaving Dhakai work, Jamdani work. And full base part is heavy Dhakai work. This one is full base part, half portion is mustard yellow shade and half portion is bluish shade, very exclusive smart looks. And this one, pallu end same bluish shade with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani heavy self weaving Dhakai work, pallu part. And this one is upper base part, beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one, split section, very exclusive one, half Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani. And I will suggest this golden base heavy pocket work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright looks, without running blouse piece, only saree length. And this one also, beautiful one, very nice combinations, same material, same pattern. Today I have draped soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, and full base part is beautiful Dhakai weaving Dhakai Jamdani work. This one is contrast color border portion and full border, beautiful tat weaving design, tat border, golden zari weaving tat border. And this one is base part, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, semi transparent with beautiful Dhakai stripes design, very nice one, fully hand weaving, highlighted contrast taat border, and this one, you know, full base part, same pattern, same material. Today I have draped, and this one, you know, full base part, beautiful looks. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully Dhakai Jamdani work pallu. This one is beautiful Dhakai work pallu, contrast color also, and this one is beautiful border portion, very exclusive, smart, trendy looks. And this one is full base part, beautiful color combinations, pink with purple blue shaded. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, beautiful, trendy looks. So, you know, same material, premium quality, pure handloom, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with taat contrast border, same pattern, same material. Today I have draped, and this one, you know, full base part, very elegant color combination. This one is contrast color, golden zari taat weaving design border, and this one, you know, full base part, beautiful soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. Base is very soft, comfortable one, and this one is contrast color border, and this one is full base part, transparent with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work, highlighted contrast color floral butta. And this one, you know, full base part, very smart, elegant looks, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, only sari length, very exclusive, smart, bright looks, elegant also, traditional looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this sari for your smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also, you know, beautiful color combinations, pink shade, very nice color combinations, pink shade with contrast navy blue shaded half pattern. This one, you know, full base part. Let me open. This one is half portion, pink base, upper base part to pallu. This one is beautiful self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work, pink base. This one is Dhakai Jamdani weaving work border, and this one is pallu part, beautiful Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani work pallu, and this one is beautiful Dhakai work with contrast golden zari weaving design butta, floral butta, Dhakai butta. And this one, you know, full base part, half portion is pink set with self weaving Dhakai work, and half portion is navy blue set with beautiful self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work, highlighted golden zari floral butta. And this one, you know, half portion, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. Half Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari heavy weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, trendy, bright looks. And this one also, you know, beautiful color combinations, bright green shade with pink contrast half. This one, you know, this one is pallu part, contrast color green shade with self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work with contrast color threaded weaving design butta, contrast color weaving butta. And this one, you know, border portions, beautiful fine Dhakai Jamdani work border. And this one, you know, split section, patli pallu pattern. This one is pleats, green shade with self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work pleats. And this one is upper base part, bright pink set, magenta pink set with self weaving Dhakai work. Full base part is heavy Dhakai work, very nice one, smart, elegant, bright looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright looks. This one also, you know, very elegant one, grey shade with a contrast orange weaving, orange threaded weaving Dhakai work, very highlighted, exclusive looks. This one, you know, full base part. This one is full base part, very nice one, elegant color combination. This one is border portion, contrast color threaded weaving design border, and we highlighted golden zari weaving butta design. And this one, you know, full base part, contrast color weaving design buta with highlighted golden zari Dhakai weaving design floral buta. And this one pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color threaded weaving design Dhakai Jamdani work, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani. And this one full base part, beautiful one, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with beautiful weaving border design. And this one is half portion, different pattern weaving Dhakai work. This one is half portion, stripes, diagonally stripes Dhakai weaving design stripes with beautiful floral buta. And half portion is different polka weaving design Dhakai buta. Very exclusive smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari fine weaving design buta work, contrast blouse piece with this zari for your smart exclusive looks. Very trendy one. Very beautiful color combination, soft sober looks, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, beautiful weaving design Dhakai work. This one full base part, very elegant color combination. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving Dhakai Jamdani weaving design border. And this one is full base part, light greenish shade with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani buta work, contrast golden zari weaving floral buta. And this one half portions beautiful, half portion is pure white base with Dhakai Jamdani work. This one is border, fully self weaving Dhakai work without running blouse piece, half portion is white with different Dhakai Jamdani work, diagonally work. And half portion is light greenish shade with beautiful buta pattern Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one is border portions, very exclusive smart bright looks. And this one pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, heavy Dhakai Jamdani work pallu, self weaving Dhakai work, highlighted golden zari buta. This one is pallu. Very exclusive smart looks, transparent without running blouse piece Dhakai Jamdani. And I will suggest this heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart elegant bright looks. And this one also same material, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with beautiful color combinations. Let me open similar type pattern. This one is light pink shade with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani heavy weaving design border. And this one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, golden zari floral buta. This one is half portion, light pink shade. And this one is pure white base, half portion is pure white base with different design, diagonally work, floral pattern, different design Dhakai Jamdani work, half white, half pink. And this one pallu part, this one is pallu part, beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work pallu. This one is pallu, beautiful smart trendy looks. And this one is half portion white and half portion is pink side. And full base part is heavy Dhakai Jamdani work. And I will suggest this silk material weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful traditional looks. This one also a beautiful color combinations, very bright looks, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with heavy weaving design work. This one full base part, white base, pure white base. And this one is border portion, contrast color threaded weaving design border Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one full base part, very colorful also, beautiful weaving buta design Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color threaded weaving design, heavy weaving design pallu. And this one is border portions, very exclusive one, pure white base. And this one full base part, very nice looks, elegant also, without running blouse piece, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with beautiful weaving buta. And I will suggest this silk material, contrast ikat pattern, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart bright gorgeous looks, very traditional also. So same pattern, beautiful color combination, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with beautiful Dhakai weaving work, very bright beautiful smart trendy looks. This one full base part. And this one is border portion, weaving design border, highlighted golden zari buta, and this one full base part transparent with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani weaving design buta work, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani base with beautiful fine weaving Dhakai weaving design pallu and highlighted floral buta, Dhakai buta, and this one full base part, very smart elegant looks, and this one full base part, beautiful Dhakai weaving buta design, and this one is full base part, this one is border portion Dhakai weaving design border, and I will suggest this only sari length without running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this sari for your exclusive smart bright looks. This one also beautiful color combinations and work, also very traditional hand weaving Dhakai Jamdani, beautiful weaving pattern. This one full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful multi-color fine with Dhakai weaving design buta, floral buta, and this one border portions very beautiful one, colorful also, fully hand weaving heavy Dhakai Jamdani design border, and this one full base part, beautiful multi-color weaving floral buta design, and this one is border portions very elegant smart look, soft lightweight comfortable soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work pallu with highlighted contrast golden zari buta, very elegant looks, beautiful color combinations also, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani, very exclusive one, and I will suggest this silk material golden zari checks with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy smart traditional looks. This one also based for your festive wear, festive looks, white and red combined work, very nice one. This one full base part beautiful looks, based for your festive wear. This one border portions fully Dhakai Jamdani weaving design border, golden zari with contrast threaded weaving design Dhakai work border, and this one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design floral buta Dhakai buta, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color red contrast pallu with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work pallu, and this one is highlighted golden zari Dhakai buta, very exclusive smart looks, heavy work, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one is full base part, beautiful one, transparent, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks, traditional also, based for your festive looks, festive wear. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright gorgeous looks. So very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also, Bengal soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional, beautiful elegant color combinations, steel gray shade with beautiful contrast color threaded weaving design Dhakai work. This one border portions beautiful fine hand weaving Dhakai Jamdani work border, and this one full base part, beautiful multi-color Dhakai weaving buta design floral buta, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful self Dhakai Jamdani work with highlighted golden zari buta, very elegant smart look. This one full base part, soft comfortable summer friendly also, beautiful elegant color combination. This one is border portion highlighted, and this one is full base part without running blouse piece, only side length. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, golden base buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy smart looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful same material, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani with tat weaving design border, contrast color with tat weaving design border, and this one full base part diagonally Dhakai Jamdani work design, very exclusive one, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful heavy Dhakai self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work with contrast color threaded weaving design floral buta, very exclusive look. looks, and this one is beautiful taat border, taat weaving design, border soft, comfortable, very smart looks. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.